Have you ever wondered what happens after someone clicks on your ad? Are they exploring your website, making a purchase, or leaving without taking action? Without the right tools, it's nearly impossible to know what works and what doesn't. And those missed opportunities can hurt your business. That's where Microsoft Universal Event Tracking, UET, comes in. UET helps you track user behavior, optimize ad campaigns, and stay compliant with privacy regulations, all in one simple tool. Let's take a closer look. UET is Microsoft Advertising's built-in tracking solution that helps advertisers understand how users interact with their websites. When you use Microsoft Advertising with the UET tag, it captures user behavior, like page visits, purchases, and other key actions, and sends this data to your Microsoft Ads account. This data enables you to see which ads drive meaningful actions, to re-engage users who didn't convert, to deliver ads to the right people at the right time. In short, UET helps you turn raw data into actionable insights, enabling smarter, more effective campaigns. UET helps advertisers get the most out of their campaigns by identifying which campaigns are performing well, so you can optimize your strategy, maximizing your ad budget by focusing on what drives results, enabling you to retarget visitors who didn't convert for higher future engagement, unlocking advanced bidding strategies to help you achieve your goals efficiently. Unlike traditional tracking tools that require multiple tags for different actions, UET uses just one tag for everything. This reduces complexity, minimizes errors, and provides a more complete view of user behavior. And with Microsoft UET Consent Mode, the tag automatically adjusts based on user consent, ensuring compliance with privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA. Microsoft UET Consent Mode should be implemented as early as possible in your advertising journey. Whether you are starting a new campaign or looking to improve existing ones, UET is the foundation for tracking conversions, building remarketing lists, and complying with privacy laws. For businesses with complex setups, tools like CookieYes CMP can automate the consent mode process, making compliance effortless. To sum up, with Microsoft UET Consent Mode, you can remain compliant with global privacy regulations, continue tracking where consent is given, respect user choices while still gathering valuable ad insights, turn every click into an opportunity. Ready to transform your advertising strategy? Start using UET Consent Mode today.